Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making plantain frittata today, guys. So let me go ahead and introduce the ingredients. After the introduction of the ingredients, I'm going to dive into the procedure and then I will stop talking. So we're going to need 8 eggs, approximately a tablespoon each of ground ginger and garlic, a cube of Maggi, a teaspoon of thyme, about a tablespoon of salt, 2 ripe plantains, 2 to 3 chicken sausages chopped, about a stalk of spring onions. I use spring onions in the place of green bell pepper, but if you have green bell pepper, use half of a green bell pepper, half red bell pepper chopped, half yellow bell pepper chopped, 2 medium-sized red onions chopped, and 1 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. I'm going to be using a little bit of curry powder, about a teaspoon of curry powder, and about a teaspoon of ground and fried fresh habanero pepper. I'm going to be needing some olive oil and vegetable oil to fry my plantain. So I'm going to show you guys all the ingredients again from above. Alright guys, let's get down to business. The first thing we're going to do will be to chop and fry our plantains with vegetable oil.